Hi students, welcome to the second PUC online classes, business studies. First, today I am going to start a first chapter in part 1. In part 1, first chapter, nature and significance of management. See, in normally the management is more important in our personal life, family life and professional life also. So when we are managing ourselves perfectly, our job will be doing perfectly. Personal life, family life and professional life management, it is more important to us. So what is the nature of this management? Significance or importance of management will be discussed in the first chapter of the business studies. See, now come to the what is management? It is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving the goals effectively and efficiently. Effectively and efficiently is more important. Some people, in other words, management, it is art of getting things done through with the help of others to achieve the organizational goals and objectives. To achievement of organizational goals and objectives, or our personal objectives or social objectives, organizational objectives, we need what? Management. Without management, we cannot achieve the goals and objectives. Goals and objectives. So, what is management? Management is a process. It is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving the goals effectively and efficiently. It is more important. One mark question will be raised. What do you mean by effectiveness? What do you mean by efficiency? See, effectiveness means completion of the work on time. See, completion of the work on time. This is called an effectiveness. Next, the main consideration of effectiveness is focus on end results. See, effectiveness, completion of the work on time. The main consideration of this effectiveness, end results, means final result. That is called an effectiveness. What do you mean by efficiency? Efficiency means completion of the task with minimum cost. Minimum cost, completion of the task or work. Task or work, minimum cost or minimum cost and proper utilization of resources. By utilizing the resources properly, minimum cost to produce the product. The main consideration, cost. Minimize the cost, improve the productivity, that is called an efficiency. What is your efficiency? See, 1 hour normally we are going to produce 10 units. 1 hour normally we produce 10 units. The some other person, the same timing, producing 20 units. That is the efficiency of that person. And for example, B. A produce 10 units in 1 hour. 1 hour. In 1 hour, A produce 10 units. B in same 1 hour produce 20 units. This is the difference between 10 units efficiency between the person A and person B. Samarthya. Efficiency means the samarthya, means the A and B, two persons. What is the difference efficiency between the person A and person B? So, maintain minimum cost by utilizing proper resources. Main consideration, cost. Less cost, produce more. So, efficiency and effectiveness. 1 mark very important. Here there is 1 mark question rise. Please make a note, my dear students. Next, we come to the meaning of management. Management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. These are the functions of management. Already while dictating the syllabus at the time, I will be give the 5 functions P, O, S, D, C, right? By using these five functions to achieve the specific organizational goals and objectives effectively and efficiently. What is effectiveness and efficiency? We will already before we discuss. So management is the process of planning, means advanced thinking, predetermined course of action, what, where, when, how to completion of the task. This is a blueprint for achieving the goals and objectives. What? Blueprint, roadmap. Next, organizing the all resources, material resources and human resources. Next, stopping means selection and recruitment, training and development, all these things in stopping. Next, directing. Directors means directors, supervisors, team leaders gives directions to accomplishment of the task. Next, finally, controlling. We are finally control the team or group or team to achieve. Why? What is the reason? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. To what is the reason for these and all? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. To achievement of specific means ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ನಿಗದಿತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಗುರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಉದ್ದೇಶನ ಅವರ ಗುರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ we are going to manage the organization effectively and efficiently. Effectiveness means on time, efficiency means minimum cost. On time, minimum cost. See, effectively and efficiently. On time, minimum cost completion, that is called management of time, cost, resources. This entire process called management. Please note it down clearly. Next, definition of this management. One person give a definition according to Harlow Kunz. Harlow Kunz give a definition to the management. Management is the art of getting things done and with the help of people in formally organized groups. This is more important. See, Harlow Kunz give definition to the management. Management is the art of getting things done and with the people formally organized groups, not informal organization. Formal organization, we can manage the peoples. Management, it is an art, kale. We can control the people, manage the people, direct the people, planning according to the people. So management is the art of getting things done with the help of people. By using all human resources, getting things done, extract the work from the people. So management, it is more important. Management is the art of getting things done and with the people in formally organized groups. Means a team, group. Informal organized we cannot manage. Formally organized groups we can manage. This is more important. Note down. Formal organized groups we can manage. Informal organization we cannot manage. Clear? This definition given by the Harlow Kunz. Management is the art of getting things done and with the people in formally organized groups. Who give this definition? Harlow Kunz. Okay. See, management meaning, efficiency. These 2 marks important meanings and definitions, and efficiency and effectiveness. So 2 in 1, 1 marks important. This is the introduction part of the nature and significance of the management. Now come to the features or characteristics of management. Features and characteristics of management. Management is the goal-oriented process. As a second PUC students, What is your goal? See, I want to secure 99% in second PUC commerce. I want to become a college topper. I want to become a taluk topper. I want to become a district topper. These are the goals, personal goals of as a student, right? In the management, goal-oriented process means the every organization getting good results in every year, means earning good profit and achieving good name, fame, reputation. These are the goals of organization. Goal oriented, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಗುರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಗೂ ಅದೇ ತರ ಗುರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Universal process. See, this management, it is universally applied. For example, educational management, political management, medical management, commerce management, science management. It will be applicable universally. Universal means in all the universe. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನಾಂಗದವರು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that reason it is a universal process. It is second feature or characteristics of management. First one is goal oriented process. Second one is universal or pervasive. Pervasive means it will be applicable to all the fields. Next, continuous process. It never ends. Continuously keep on moving. Continuous means ಯಾವತ್ತುವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. As a single person we cannot do any managerial activities. It requires two or more, means group means two or more persons together to manage, to do any work, to manage themselves, called group activity. Fourth feature of management, group activity. Next, dynamic activity. As per the situation, it will be varies. Dynamic means change, variation according to the situation. Management will be changed as per the situation. Next, multi-dimensional activity means multi-dimension feature. The sixth feature of management, multi-dimension means three: management of work, management of people, management of activity or operation. See, management of the work means managing the work, means for example one work divided into number of peoples according to the people, number of people and time period. Next, management of people, work, people, operation. First, work means divided, managing the work, managing the people, managing the activities which they are going to do in a particular manner. Next, intangible force. Last feature of characteristics of management is intangible. We cannot measure the management. How much? Immeasurable. Intangible means we cannot weight the management. We cannot feel, see, touch the management. Okay. These are all the characteristics or features of management. First feature of the management is goal oriented process. Second one is universally applicable, continuous process, goal, group activity, dynamic activity, multi-dimensional activity, intangible force. These are the 7 important features of management, 8 most important. Next topic, objectives of the management. Meaning, definition, features we are discussed in this class. Next class I will be continue with the objectives of the management. Thank you for watching my classes. See you in next class. Bye.